How to delete your post on OfferUp app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to download and install the OfferUp app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download the application. Then you want to open the app and log into your account. Now, on the OfferUp application, you cannot directly delete a post. You can only archive the post to unlist it. It will unlist the item from the search history pages on the OfferUp site and app. To do that, just follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to tap on the Settings option at the bottom of your screen, then head over to the Selling tab. When you do that, you're going to find the list of items that you have. You want to tap on the desired item from the list, then tap on the three-dotted icon beside the Edit option. Now you want to tap on the option of Archive. Tap on the archive option from the confirmation pop-up. The desired post will get unlisted immediately. Now you only have the option to archive it to unlist your item. After archiving the post, it will not appear in the search results. Since a direct delete option is not available in the OfferUp app, this is the only thing that you can do. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.